Did you know that skilled mortgage brokers know how to help clients find the right financing from the right lender at the right price? Let's hear from the experts at StrongBox Home Loans.
Hi, my name is Eric Hoffner. I'm the president of StrongBox Home Loans, located in the Alpharetta, Crabapple area. What makes brokers different is we have the ability to shop your mortgage to all different lenders to get you the very best deal for you. Borrowers often make the mistake of calling their local bank. The large banks tend to have higher rates, more conservative underwriting. Their process is antiquated and slow. We find that the broker will provide you faster service, better pricing, and a broader product mix. Many of our loan officers, including myself, have more than 20 years experience in the mortgage banking industry. We provide the knowledge and experience that it takes to get your loan through quickly and easily and pain-free. We're more likely to close on time. In many cases, we close a purchase in 22 to 23 days.
Not all mortgage companies are the same. Eric explains.
There's all different types of mortgage companies out there. Everything from your local large bank to large mortgage companies, down to your small privately owned small brokers. And we believe brokers are better. They provide better service, better technology, they get things done quicker, underwriting is easier, and they can shop your mortgage for you. At StrongBox Home Loans, you have the ability to apply online from your cell phone, iPad, or desktop from the comfort of your home. Almost everything we do is digital. It moves very quickly and easily, and in many cases, you can even close at your office or your home.
There are different types of mortgages for different types of buyers.
When you come to a broker, you're more likely to get your loan approved because we have a broad range of product mixes. We do nothing but mortgages. We're an expert in mortgages. We don't sell checking accounts or savings accounts. We're investments. We have one priority, and that's to get you a great mortgage for you. We don't have a lot of overhead. We can shop your mortgage aggressively to get you the best rate. We pass on all those savings to our borrowers. We don't have any real estate. We have a very small support staff. We don't have compliance officers or managers that have to be compensated. And as a result, our clients get a better deal.
StrongBox Home Loans can also help buyers who might face challenges in getting approved.
We've made a living out of saving loans from other companies. Oftentimes, borrowers get declined in other areas because they don't have the right amount of credit, reserves, or income. They come to us and we can place them with a lender that's a little bit more lenient on credit or income or assets. The bottom line is we just get more deals done. Oftentimes, self-employed people struggle because they have a good CPA and that CPA writes off all of their income, or they just don't have enough taxable income to qualify. As a self-employed person, you definitely want to take advantage of the IRS tax code. The one time it hurts you is when you're trying to get a mortgage. We have several programs to help them out, such as a bank statement program that goes strictly off of revenue, or a 1099 only program where we can use 90% of their 1099 income. And for investors, we have something called debt service coverage, where they only need enough market rent to cover the mortgage to qualify.
So next time you're shopping for a mortgage, keep your options open by working with a broker.
We go above and beyond to service our customers. We try to exceed their expectations to make them a customer for life.
For more information about StrongBox Home Loans, visit strongboxhomeloans.com or easyapplynow.com and go to our website, designingspaces.tv.